Welcome to The Curse of the Traveler, Places that Bring Bad Luck. In this video, we'll explore some of the most notorious locations around the globe renowned for their eerie reputations and chilling histories. From the mystical Uluru in Australia to the haunting grounds of the Dyatlov Pass in Russia, these sites are shrouded in tales of misfortune and mystery, attracting both thrill seekers and the superstitious alike. Join us as we uncover the dark secrets that make these destinations infamous and perhaps a little cursed. 1. Uluru, Ayers Rock, Australia. Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is a massive sandstone monolith in the heart of the Northern Territory's arid, red center. It holds a deep spiritual significance for the Aboriginal people, who have lived in the area for thousands of years. Many travelers are drawn to Uluru's breathtaking beauty and its vibrant hues at sunrise and sunset. However, there's a tale that taking rocks or sand from Uluru brings bad luck. Visitors have reported experiencing misfortune after pocketing a piece of the rock, leading to a steady stream of returned stones sent back to park authorities. The local Anangu people request that tourists respect the sacredness of the site and refrain from climbing it, further emphasizing the importance of honoring cultural traditions. The curse associated with Uluru serves as a reminder of the respect nature and culture deserve. 2. The Tomb of Tutankhamun, Egypt. The discovery of Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922 was a landmark event in archaeology, but it also sparked tales of a curse. The Curse of the Pharaohs is said to affect those who disturb the resting place of the ancient Egyptian kings. Following the unearthing of King Tut's tomb, several people associated with the excavation experienced untimely deaths, leading to rampant speculation about the curse's validity. While skeptics attribute these events to coincidence, the story persists, casting a shadow of intrigue around the tomb. The idea of a curse adds an element of mystery to the already fascinating history of ancient Egypt. Despite the rumors, thousands of tourists visit the tomb each year, eager to glimpse the treasures of the boy king. The allure of Tutankhamun's legacy continues to captivate the world. 3. The Tower of London, England. The Tower of London stands as a symbol of British history, but it's also reputed to be haunted by the spirits of those who met untimely fates within its walls. The tower has been a royal palace, fortress, and infamous prison, witnessing numerous executions and imprisonments. Among the most famous ghosts said to haunt the tower is Anne Boleyn, the second wife of King Henry VIII, who was executed in 1536. Visitors and staff have reported sightings of her ghost, along with other spectral figures. The tower's rich history of power struggles, betrayal, and intrigue contributes to its eerie reputation. Despite its haunted past, the Tower of London remains a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors eager to explore its storied halls. The tales of ghostly apparitions add an extra layer of fascination to this historic site. 4. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle, an area of the Atlantic Ocean bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has long been associated with mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. Numerous theories attempt to explain these puzzling incidents, ranging from environmental factors to extraterrestrial involvement. The lack of a definitive explanation fuels the intrigue and superstition surrounding the Bermuda Triangle. Despite the legends, the area is heavily traveled by commercial ships and planes without incident. While the triangle's reputation as a danger zone persists in popular culture, scientific investigations have found no evidence of abnormal activity. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle endures, captivating the imaginations of those who are fascinated by the unknown. Whether viewed as a natural phenomenon or a product of folklore, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma. 5. Poveglia Island, Italy. Poveglia Island, located in the Venetian Lagoon, is often called one of Italy's most haunted places. Its dark history dates back to the Black Plague, when it was used as a quarantine station. Thousands of plague victims were sent to the island, and it's said that their restless spirits still linger. Later, the island housed a mental asylum where patients allegedly suffered abuse, further contributing to its haunted reputation. Today, Poveglia is abandoned, and access is restricted, adding to its allure as a forbidden place. Urban legends and ghost stories abound, making it a subject of fascination for paranormal enthusiasts. While some brave souls have ventured to Poveglia, many locals avoid it due to its ominous reputation. The island's eerie past continues to cast a shadow over its present, making it a place of intrigue and mystery. 6. The Winchester Mystery House, USA. The Winchester Mystery House in San Jose, California, is a sprawling mansion with a bizarre architectural design. Sarah Winchester, the widow of gun magnate William Wirt Winchester, built the house under the belief that she was haunted by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles. Construction continued non-stop for 38 years, resulting in a labyrinth of rooms, staircases leading nowhere, and doors opening into walls. The house's peculiar layout is said to confuse and trap ghosts, keeping them at bay. Today, the Winchester Mystery House is a popular tourist attraction, drawing visitors curious about its haunted history and unusual design. The story of Sarah Winchester's obsession and the house's ghostly reputation add to its mystique. The mansion stands as a testament to one woman's struggle with grief and guilt, leaving behind a legacy shrouded in mystery. 7. Hoia Baciu Forest, Romania. Hoia Baciu Forest, often referred to as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania, is notorious for its paranormal activity and strange phenomena. Visitors have reported sightings of unexplained lights, ghostly apparitions, and even UFOs. The forest is also known for its eerie circular clearing where no vegetation grows, adding to its mysterious aura. Legends tell of people entering the forest and never returning, further fueling its reputation as a haunted place. Despite its spooky reputation, Hoia Baciu attracts tourists and paranormal investigators eager to explore its mysteries. The forest's enigmatic nature has made it a subject of fascination for those interested in the supernatural. Whether viewed as a paranormal hotspot or a natural wonder, Hoia Baciu continues to captivate the imagination of those who dare to enter. 8. Aokigahara, Suicide Forest, Japan. Aokigahara, also known as the Suicide Forest, is located at the base of Mount Fuji in Japan. The dense forest is known for its association with suicides, with numerous people choosing it as their final resting place. The forest's eerie silence and labyrinthine layout contribute to its unsettling atmosphere. Signs throughout the forest encourage visitors to seek help and reconsider their decisions, reflecting the ongoing efforts to address its dark reputation. Despite its tragic history, Aokigahara is also known for its natural beauty, with lush greenery and serene surroundings. The contrast between its tranquil appearance and its somber legacy adds to its mystique. The forest serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of mental health awareness and the need for compassion and support. 9. Myrtles Plantation, USA. Myrtles Plantation in Louisiana is often cited as one of America's most haunted homes. Built in 1796, the plantation has a long history of ghostly encounters and unexplained phenomena. Legend has it that the spirit of a former slave named Chloe haunts the grounds, along with other spectral figures. Visitors have reported seeing apparitions, hearing mysterious voices, and experiencing other paranormal activity. The plantation's rich history and haunted reputation make it a popular destination for ghost hunters and tourists seeking a spine-chilling experience. The stories of the spirits that linger at Myrtles Plantation add an element of intrigue to its southern charm. The plantation stands as a testament to the enduring fascination with the supernatural and the stories that continue to captivate the imagination. 10. The Dyatlov Pass, Russia. The Dyatlov Pass, located in the Ural Mountains of Russia, is infamous for the mysterious deaths of 9 hikers in 1959. The circumstances surrounding their deaths remain unexplained, with theories ranging from an avalanche to paranormal activity. The hikers' tent was found ripped open from the inside, and their bodies were discovered scattered across the snow, some with inexplicable injuries. The lack of a definitive explanation has led to speculation about a possible curse or supernatural involvement. Despite the tragedy, the area attracts adventurers and researchers interested in uncovering the truth behind the incident. The Dyatlov Pass continues to be a source of fascination for those intrigued by unsolved mysteries. The story of the ill-fated expedition serves as a chilling reminder of the unpredictable nature of the wilderness and the enduring allure of the unknown.